Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we are here in the southwest side of Las Vegas, checking out Wesley Park by America West. Now stay tuned because I'm gonna be touring a move-in ready home and you possibly could qualify for a low 4% interest rate. So let's take a look. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy or sell in Las Vegas, or if you're looking for a new construction home, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey everyone, so welcome to Wesley Park by America West. Now this video, I'm going to be going over this move-in ready home. Now this is like 99.9% completed. They still have to do some final touch-ups and you'll see by the tape inside. Where we're located right now, we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Cross streets is gonna be Decatur in Cactus, so really great area. The HOA is only $50 a month. We're about 15-20 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport Strip. The reason why the Southwest is so popular is just because it's close to a lot of good restaurants and it's also easy access to the freeway. It doesn't take too long to get to the airport and the Strip. But yeah, again, this is the neighborhood and I'll show you guys this home. So this is gonna be the Halton Peak, okay? So this is 2,704 square feet, 4 bedrooms, with a loft, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. It is 3 stories. The top floor is just going to be like a bonus room, a game room. It's priced at $614,999. Guys, if you're looking for like a good deal on new construction homes, you got to look for move-in ready homes because that's when they have the most wiggle room and that's where you're going to get the best incentive. So right now they're offering, if you're doing conventional, like low 4% interest rates. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, everything you're seeing here, this is actually the actual house that you're buying. Okay, so welcome in. Now, when you walk in, pretty high ceilings actually. So you got the 9-foot ceilings. Okay, don't mind the tape. The tape is literally everywhere, but again, there are just some paint touch-ups that they have to do, so you're gonna see that. But yeah, this is the powder room. So straight ahead you can see you got your little living room area, okay, dining room and kitchen. But yeah, it feels pretty spacious in here with the 9-foot ceilings. Also what's really nice is you do have this, looks like they went with the upgrade, the electric fireplace. Okay, so over here, as far as the lights go, concerned, you do have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, and then you have these 4 lights right here. You got plenty more in the kitchen area as well. Okay, so as you can see, the refrigerator is here. So refrigerator is included. Most likely the washer and dryer is not inside. It's probably not included there. Okay, so you got the beautiful white cabinets, white quartz. Okay. So you got some extra space underneath the island. And so yeah, let me take you to the backyard. The backyard is, so yeah, you have some good space here. This backyard. If you were looking to build a pool, you could definitely build a pool. Something that's really nice is I think that's a street on the other side of this wall. So you're not gonna have any direct neighbors right behind you. It's gonna be like a street over. But yeah, overall definitely feels open, nice open floor plan. You have your pantry right here. Okay, so it goes in a little bit deeper than it looks. Then you'll also have your Whirlpool refrigerator. Right here, you're gonna have your storage space. Okay, coat closet. And you got some extra storage space right over there underneath the stairs. So as far as the garage is concerned there, let me open the lights. Okay, so the garage does come unfinished. Okay, when I say unfinished, like it's not fully painted. You got the tankless water heater, the water softener loop. Okay. Right, so let's head upstairs. Okay, looks like they went with this upgraded railing, which is nice. Looks nicer than the pony wall. To the second floor, you're gonna have your primary bedroom right over here, and then you'll have the 2 bedrooms right here. Now, this model is actually called the Halton Peak, but they also have this model called just Halton, and Halton's a 2-story, so pretty much it would end right over here as you see these stairs. But since it's the Peak, it actually goes to the 3rd floor, which is just like a bonus room. But yeah, we'll check out the primary bedroom. So, plenty of space. I love that nice large window to allow the natural light to come in. You also have your jumper duct over here. So that's where like air will travel, and then it will it'll go through right here. Okay. So that helps regulate the airflow. Yeah, see, so that's on the other side of the wall there. So that is a street. That is not a main road. That's going to be kind of like a smaller, more private road. So it's actually Lindell. Okay, cool. So we're actually close to that's a gated community right over there. Okay, so welcome to the primary bath. So it looks like you got your dual sinks. Nice quartz countertop. Okay, walk-in shower. Cool, so you got your walk-in closet. And it looks like for the door handles, they have like the black fixtures. Okay. For the doors, you're gonna have the 2-panel door. Okay, the paint color is gonna be flat white paint all throughout. Here's gonna be your laundry room. So this is nice. You have like plenty of space right over here to store your linen, fold your clothes. So in the middle floor, this is 8-foot ceiling. But here, actually the wall comes further down. So as you can see, like this is 8 foot. I feel like this is almost like just shy of 8 foot, maybe like 7'4", 7'5". This is going to be the guest bedroom. Okay, so you got guest bedroom, has like a little walk-in closet right here. Okay. The other guest bedroom. Now you're gonna have a window towards the front of your house. Okay, you got your standard closet here. And then here's gonna be your full bath. Okay, so you got the single sink, the 18 by 18 tile, the shower tub. Now again, if you guys are watching my video, you're interested in new construction, a new construction home, thinking about going to a new construction community for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's fine. Make sure your realtor comes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself for your very first time, because once the builder agent asks for your name, phone number, and email, once they have that in their system, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, because the builders look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So, we walk you through the process, or we negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable, and we know what to look for. So, very familiar with the process. But yeah, get yourself some representation for sure. So this is the third floor. Okay. So again, they do make this floor plan the Halton, which is literally just the first 2 floors. And the Halton peak it's pretty much what you're seeing here. This would be great. Maybe if you had a guest, or if you're living with somebody, they want their own private space. Well, they could have their bedroom. They have like their little living room area. Okay. You could also make this a man cave. So this is going to be the bedroom over here. Bedroom is spacious. And then this is going to be the full bath. All right, guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, also too, if you're interested in new construction homes that are move-in ready, because I think if you want the best deal, you got to look for one that's already 100% completed, or it's almost completed. But yeah, if you need help through that process, give me a call, shoot me a text, any questions. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one.